Good morning, class 10th. So today we start the question number 10th of exercise 15.1. So question is what? A piggy bank contains 150 paisa coins. Listen carefully. 50 rupees 1 coins, 20 rupees 2 coins and 10 rupees 5 coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be 50 paisa coin? So look at the answer. So total number of coins are 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10. So this is 100 coins 50 paisa, 50 coins 1 rupee, 20 and the 10. So total number of coins is 180. So number of 50 coins are how much? 100. So what is the probability of 50 paisa coins? So 100 upon total 100 upon 180, 0 0 cutted, 2 5s and 2 9s. So 5 upon 9 is the answer. Will not be a 5 rupees coin. Will not be a 5 rupees coin. So what is the probability of 5 rupees coin? First I find out number of 5 rupees coin are 10. So 10 upon 180, that 1 upon 80. I have to find not a 5 rupee coin. So what can I do? I will do 1 minus what is the coming one? 1 upon 80, 18, sorry. I have to find probability of not getting 5 rupees coins. So I will done 1 minus 1 upon 18. This is the answer of probability of 5 rupees coin. I have to find not getting 5 rupees coins. So I can find by subtracting 1 from the this one. So 1 minus 1 upon 18. So answer is 17 upon 18. So question number 12. After that 11th one is your homework. 11th one is your homework. Very easy question. Now 12th is what? A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing one of the numbers 1 to 8 and these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will be 0.8? So total number of possible outcomes 8. So we have to find the probability of 8 is what? 1 upon 8. Then second one is what? An odd number. So how many odd numbers are there? I think 4. You all know 1, 3, 5 and 7. So these are the odd numbers. So 4 are the odd numbers and the total cases is 8. So 1 upon 2. Third one is a number greater than 2. Number greater than 2. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 6 numbers are there. So probability of greater than 2 is 6 upon 8. The answer is 3 upon 4. Then a number less than 9. It means what? All the numbers are there. So around all the numbers means 8 and the total cases are also 8. So 8 upon 8 answer is 1. Now question number 13. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number. So prime numbers are which comes in own table. So total number of cases are 6. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 only. Between the 1 to 6 only 2, 3, 5 is the prime number. So prime number are number which comes on own table. So the probability of prime number is 3 upon 6, 1 upon 2. Now second is number lying between 2 and 6. So 3, 4 and 5, 3 numbers only. So 3 upon 6, again 1 upon 2 answer. And the third one is odd number. Odd number is 1, 3 and 5, again 3 upon 6, 1 upon 2 is the answer. Now next question. Next is what? One card is drawn from a well shuffled of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. Now look at the first one. Total number of outcomes 52. A king of red color. So red color means 26 cards are there, red color. So it means what? 2 kings are there. Clear? So 2 kings are there. 2 kings of red color. First king heart 1, second king diamond 1. So 2 kings in total are 52. So 1 upon 26 is the answer. Second one, getting a face card. Now face card is what? In the deck of 13, 4 face card are there. Clear? One color, 4 face card. So how many colors are there? 4 color. Clear? Wait, I will write here. Look at that. In the deck of, look at that, 52 cards. Sorry, 3 face card are there. I will tell that is 26. This one red and black. then 26 means 13, 13, this is also 13 and this is also 13. If this one is heart and diamond, this one is spade and club, so these are the cards. Now look at that. In this one, three face cards are there. First one is what? That jack, king and queen. These are called the face card. So in a single one, three face card are there, so four cases are there. So 3, 3, 3 and 3. So how many face card are there? 12. 3, 6, 9 and 12. So getting a getting a face card, 12 face card are there and total are 52. So 3 upon 13. Now getting a red face card, 3 in this, 3 in this. So 6 upon 52. Now getting a jack of heart, only a single card are there. In the heart a jack is there, only single card is there. So 1 upon 52. And the last one, a spade. Look at that spade, how many spades are there? 13 spades are there. So 13 upon 52, that is 1 upon 4. Now a queen of diamond. So in the diamond a single queen is there only. So 1 upon 52 is the answer. I think this is clear now. So only a deck, 3 face cards are there. In a 13 of deck, 3 face card are there, and total face card are in a deck 12. Now the next question is what? Look at the next one. 5 cards. The 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is then picked up at random. What is the probability that the card is queen? We all know the answer. Total number of, look at the answer. Total number of cards 5. Number of queen 1 only. So probability of getting a queen is what? 1 upon 5. Second one. If the queen is drawn and put aside, now I will put aside the queen. What is the probability that the second card is picked up? Then ace. Now ace only 1. Now the total number of cards are 4 only because queen is not there. Now again he asking the what is the probability of a queen. Now queen is not there, so the probability of queen is 0 upon 4 now. So answer is 0. Now the last question 16. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good pens. It is not possible to just look at the pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So total number of pens are, look at the total number of pens, 12 plus 132, that is 144. Good pens are 132. So probability of getting a good pen, 132 upon 144, answer is 11 upon 12. So remaining questions we will do there in the next exercise, next period. So thank you class.